Tanush, take us to the ground situation, a rally versus roadshow now as political parties are preparing for the next phase.
Well, of course, Aarti, you know, the phase 6 is almost nearing end and all the focus now moves to phase 7, the last phase of polls. And you can see the hottest seat is going to be, of course, Varanasi, from where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be contesting, and it is the Ajay Rai of the India bloc. And you can see over there in Ajay Rai's support, it is Dimple Yadav and Priyanka Gandhi holding a joint road show. You can see, of course, over there Dimple Yadav and Priyanka Gandhi holding a joint road show, and at the same point of time, at around in Assi Ghat, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's public rally. So it is going to be a rally versus roadshow in Varanasi, because you can of course see the enthusiasm of the Samajwadi Party workers here, and in fact there were flags of the Aam Aadmi Party as well. So showing a consolidation, a united front in Varanasi. But you know, in 2019 it was the Samajwadi Party that came second here. So of course the India bloc is looking to increase their vote share, but at the same point of time, Prime Minister Narendra Modi got around more than 6.5 lakh votes from this constituency. But of course you can see the colors here. There are a lot of people, a lot of supporters present here, and you can see over there all of them are dancing. It's going to be a big roadshow of Priyanka Gandhi. Priyanka Gandhi has been, you know, spearheading the Uttar Pradesh campaign. Now today Priyanka Gandhi is in Varanasi. You can of course see there are of course supporters. There are of course supporters dancing. क्या बोलना है आपको? क्या बोलना है? क्या आज प्रियंका जी और डिम्पल जी की रोड शो है, क्या बोलना है आपको? प्रभाव पड़ेगा यहाँ पे? अरे यहाँ पे अजय राय जीत रहे हैं भारी मतों से, 3 लाख वोटों से भारी मतों से अजय राय जीत रहे हैं। अजय राय जीत रहे हैं। चलिए, of course you can see excitement over here. And it's going to be a long road show, and 2 kilometers from here it will be Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's public meeting here in Varanasi. Varanasi, we of course know, is the BJP turf, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been winning from here in 2014 as well, and in 2019 as well. In 2014 he gathered around 55% vote share. 2019 that increased to 65%. I beg your pardon. But of course, a very important constituency which has always been a BJP turf. Few days back, Prime Minister Narendra Modi filed his nomination papers, filed his nomination from here, and of course we saw that was a massive show of strength. Now today, India bloc's show of strength over here, and of course there are a lot of supporters here. I'd like to speak to one of the supporters.
Right.
आपको क्या बोलना है आज प्रियंका जी और डिम्पल यादव जी की जॉइंट रैली है?
चुनाव हो गया बड़ा ही सिंपल, चुनाव जीतना हो गया बड़ा ही सिंपल। आ गई है दीदी प्रियंका और भाभी डिम्पल।
एक बार फिर से बोलिए, एक बार फिर से दर्शकों।
चुनाव जीतना हो गया है बड़ा ही सिंपल, आ गई है दीदी प्रियंका के साथ भाभी डिम्पल।
So
ऐसी लोग हैं और अजय राय को जिता रहा है।
So you of course heard the Congress workers saying चुनाव जीतना हो गया सिंपल, आ गई हैं प्रियंका जी और भाभी डिम्पल. So that is the enthusiasm of the workers over here. Yes.